There's a really great website you can join called Nightcafe. You can sign in and you get credits. And then from here you can create different text-based art. So you type in text and then you click create and you wind up getting some really cool outputs here. You can see there's different styles of art on this website. And I'm going to sign in and we're going to start creating. I'd recommend that you sign up for Nightcafe because you get these credits. And then what happens is every day you can get more credits by logging in, and there's certain tasks you can perform, or you can just click on give me more credits. It also just tops it up every day as well. Okay, so here I've logged in and this gets me now to a text prompt. So I'm going to type into the text prompt something really simple. I'm just going to type in dog, just a one-word text prompt. And then we're going to see there's different art styles down at the bottom. And I'm going to click vibrant. And then from here, I can click on one image or four image. Now, if I do one image, it's essentially free. Or if you do four images, it'll cost a bit of credit. Again, these credits are all free. I haven't paid any money for any of this. You get more credits every day. So I'm going to click create. And we can see here is my dog. And I'm going to click view creation. And here is my image. So there's a few things I can do with it. I can download it. So there's a little link right there. I can also upsize it. I can enhance it. And if I click on that, it will cost some of the daily credits, but I could make this really large. So for example, for 3 credits, I could make it 8,000 by 8,000 pixels. And when I do that, I'm going to click this. I'm going to go upscale. That's going to give me a nice big design. I'm now going to click download. And when I go into Windows Explorer, I hover over my image. It's going to be 8,000 pixels by 8,000 pixels. It is a JPEG file. When I click on details, we can see it is 96 DPI, which isn't great. I prefer that it would be 300 DPI, but still 8,000 by 8,000 is still a workable image. It's still a nice big image, and it does look nice from a display perspective. And you could make a fine art print with this as well. So what you do to get more credits is you click on this little icon over here on the right-hand side where it says red and it's 6. I'm going to click on this little bell and it says 6 messages require actions. Free credits available. Get credits by earning badges. So here I've earned 10 credits by creating a certain type of image. I'm going to click claim 10 credits. And there's my 10 credits. So again, it's all free. I'm going to claim this 1 credit newbie badge. I've got a 2-day streak badge, a connected badge. So I'm just going to be claiming these credits. And now when I go up here, I can see I've got a whole bunch of credits over on the right-hand side. I've got 24 credits now. So again, you're going to get more every time you do stuff. So this doesn't seem to cost any money. I've been using it for a while, and you just simply click on more credits and you just get lots of cool stuff. There's an explore option at the top as well. And when I click on through these different images, I can see that these are created by other people. I can favorite them. I can comment on them. That's pretty nice. You could also, in theory, right-click and save on them, although it's kind of strange because these are not public domain. Nightcafe says that if you create an image, you hold the copyright to it, so that means that these are all created by somebody else. So I would not recommend that you steal these images and use them for your own purposes, but it is interesting that they're up here without a watermark, and you can at least look at them. So I would be hesitant to publish my designs because that would mean that they'd go here and other people could in theory steal them. So I can't recommend publishing. So what I've done is, for example, under my creations, I've got mine, but there's an option here to publish them. And I haven't clicked it because I don't really want these to be viewable by everybody else so that they could be stolen or copied. To create a design is pretty easy. You just go here to the create button on the top right-hand side, and it'll take you to this thing called Nightcafe Studio. And then so over on the left-hand side, you simply type something into the text prompt here. So I'm going to say dog running in a meadow. And then my preset I'm going to pick is down here. I've got all these different options. There's a ton of different options. And boy, you can just spend just hours and hours looking at these different things. And in this case, I'm going to click Mecha, and then I'm going to click Create. And here we can see this mecha design. It shows a dog, but he's got a robot body. I mean, that's really high end. So you can use these designs digitally. You could use them for print on demand. You could also modify them in Photoshop or Affinity Photo. But I'm absolutely blown away by the style of the artwork here. I just think the rendering on this stuff looks just fantastic from a fine art print perspective. A book cover, I would love to use this for like a cover of a novel or a book. And I just think these look absolutely fantastic. So give this a try. It's completely free. It's called Nightcafe. I'll put a link in the video description below. And here's another video on how you can supercharge your graphic design journey for free.